and welcome to Safe and Sustainable series. I'm Dave Walls with ICC Sustainability Programs, and with me today is Wes Sullens. Wes is from California. And Wes, can you tell us a little bit about your background and what you've done?
Sure. So I'm currently the Director of Codes Technical Development at the US Green Building Council. Prior to that, I worked at a local government agency called Stop Waste, where I worked on green building and helping with the green code kind of in its initial launch and getting that out and doing some advocacy around it. And before that, I was a consultant working on energy and green building programs. So kind of been around this space for a while, and I'm excited to be at the USGBC.
Fantastic. And so now with USGBC and of course ASHRAE, USGBC, ICC, AIA and IES have all been partnering to develop the 2018 IgCC. Now, one of the things I understand that USGBC is going to do is try to align the provisions of LEED along with the IgCC, and similar to what you've done in California. Can you tell us a little bit about that, explain what that means?
Absolutely. So we've been involved in this development of the Model Green Code since about 2011, so we really are excited about creating connections between LEED and a consistent model code. So to that effect, we've kind of used California as a starting place because California has a robust green building code and energy code, and a lot of the provisions in it have alignment with LEED. And so we just announced earlier this summer that if you're building to the California Green Code and are doing a LEED project, that you can streamline essentially all your documentation for the prerequisites and 6 points in LEED, as a way to encourage more projects than maybe would otherwise to go after LEED, but also to encourage more consistent green code documentation as well. So we're looking to that as a new angle for a way to do LEED certifications where we rely on and encourage a green code as the floor, and LEED is kind of supplementary and additive on top of that.
Okay. Yep. Sounds great. Now, timeline-wise, do you expect to give more details or roll that out?
Sure. So the document's going to be published, the IgCC will be published in the spring or summer of next year, and we want to be ready by then for sure, but we'll be giving a sneak peek and probably have an initial analysis of which credits and prereqs can be streamlined later this year at our conference in November, which is Greenbuild in Boston. So that'll be the starting point. We'll be doing promotions around this and really trying to encourage the use and adoption of the model code. And really we're excited about bringing any connections we can that the LEED rating system and the USGBC, whatever influence or encouragement, excitement that brings, we want to help to this movement because it's good for our mission, it's good for our constituents, our communities. We really want to see more green buildings everywhere. So just excited to be part of the initiative.
Great. And so if somebody wants to find out more information about it, like I say, you won't be rolling anything out until November, but at that point, they can go to your website, or where can they find out the information?
Yep, we'll likely have some releases on the website, and then the partners, ICC, ASHRAE, us, we're all looking at a combined website to house a lot of this information too, so we can be consistent and promote each other's content. So look for that as well, coming probably in the next few months.
Great, and I know you've indicated that your CEO has made the statement that the partnership is the new leadership.
That's right.
That effect.
So, right.
So it's a great partnership. I think we've all.
Absolutely, we'd love to see a good, strong green code as a partnership of as far and wide as we can.
Fantastic. Well, thank you for being with us here today, Wes.
Thank you.
And this is Dave Walls again from beautiful Columbus, Ohio, at the ICC Annual Conference. Signing off, and we'll see you next time.